Well, I think one of the last places in my home that I haven't made smart yet would be my garage. I've looked at a number of solutions to do that, but it gets pretty expensive pretty quick. Well, I found something that works in conjunction with my existing garage door opener, and it actually will work with most garage door openers that are 1993 and later. This is from Chamberlain. This is their Smart Garage Hub system, and for under $100, you can turn your garage and garage door opener into a smart one. This is pretty simple to set up as well. It comes with the wireless hub, about the size of a thick coaster, and also a door sensor, which is about a quarter of the size. And basically, you put the door sensor by the garage door, you put the wireless hub here by the actual garage door opener itself, and once you set up the app, it'll automatically send you alerts anytime that your garage door is opened or closed. Taking that a step further, you can actually control the opening and closing through your smartphone. The app works on both iPhones and Android phones, so it makes it a breeze to get this up and going. Another thing I like about the system, no monthly service charges, so I'm not going to get dinged every single month. Again, this is the MyQ Smart Garage Hub from Chamberlain. You can get more information about it at chamberlain.com.